Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to go over different ways that you can scale your eBay business to make more money. So the first way is to leave thank you notes in orders. So putting thank you notes in your orders will increase feedback and you will become a more trusted seller, and people will be more likely to buy from someone who has lots of feedback than someone who doesn't have much feedback. And the more feedback that you get, the better chance you have of selling products, and the more products you sell, the more money you get. So the thank you notes can just be simple, just a small piece of paper. It doesn't really have to be anything posh, just saying thank you for your order, please don't forget to leave some feedback, I'll really appreciate it, just anything like that. So the second way that you can scale your eBay business is to list more products or items. So the more items you have for sale, the more items that will sell. So to scale your eBay business and make more money from it, you should definitely find more products to sell on your store. So if you're buying like stock from China and reselling it, or charity shops, you just have to do that more. Find different products that you can sell. And if you're drop shipping, obviously just find more products to drop ship. So the third way is to list high ticket items. To scale your eBay business, you should try and find some items that sell for more money, and therefore you'll make more profit from these items. And that is a great way to scale your business, because with the extra profit that you make, you can reinvest it into the business and list more products to make even more money. And it's just like an endless cycle after that. You more money, you can list more and keep making more money. So thanks for watching everyone. It's a quick video and I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new ways that you can scale your eBay business. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to become one of the first members of the channel. We're almost at 10 subscribers, so please subscribe to become one of the 10th subscriber. Thanks everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Remember everyone, we have a 100 subscriber giveaway. All you need to do is click on the link in the description for the video about how you can enter and subscribe. Good luck to everyone who enters. Thanks everyone, see you in the next video.